Guys, today I'm teaching you how to add a location to Waze Mobile. If you want to save a place for quick access later, you can easily add it to your saved locations in just a few steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone, tap the search icon and enter the name or address of the location you want to add. Once the correct place appears, tap it to open the location details. Next, tap the three dots or the options button. Then choose Save Place. You can enter a name for the location such as a restaurant, office, or favorite destination. After that, tap Done or Save to confirm. The location will now be added to your saved place in Waze. You can access it anytime by opening the search menu and checking your saved locations. And that's how to add a location to Waze Mobile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.